So we're going to start with our ground beef, and I'm using 7327. Now I like to take my beef and put it on parchment paper or wax paper to press it out. This makes it so easy to achieve that perfect burger thickness. Once you've got it to your desired thickness, then you're going to take some bacon. And please don't make the mistake I did and get this low sodium. Now place a layer of bacon down on your grill. I'm using a Wolfgang Puck panini maker, but a George Foreman or regular grill will work just fine. Once you've got a layer of bacon, go ahead and add that beef. Then go ahead and top it off with another layer of bacon. And the real plus to using something like a George Foreman grill or a panini press is that bacon fat and grease is just infused into that beef, giving it an excellent flavor. Now it's time to add some cheese. And if you're using a panini press like I am, they usually have a hinged top, so you can actually kind of hover it over the cheese to help the melting process. Once the cheese is melted, go ahead and remove it, and let's get this thing cut up. Now, when cutting this, you can cut it in either 6 or 4 pieces. Now, I'm going to go ahead and cut this in 4 pieces. Now, look at that bacon. That gives new meaning to Baconator. Plus, there's a whole nother layer under this side of the cheese. Now, to a separate bowl, add 3 tablespoons egg white powder to 1/3 cup water. Now, continue to whip your egg whites until you reach a semi-stiff peak state. This is usually about the max stiff peaks I can get out of egg white powder. Now add 1/2 cup almond flour to your NutriBullet or food processor, followed by 1/2 cup mozzarella or mozzarella provolone cheese. Using the burst method, go ahead and take it down till it's a nice fine consistency. Add that to your egg white powder mixture and get it mixed until well incorporated like this. Now add it to your preheated mini dash grill like I have, or whatever mini grill you own. These mini grills allow you to make a perfect size meal prep slider bun, breakfast sandwich roll, air fried or quick microwavable pizza, and here's a close-up of what you can expect with this recipe. And guys, this thing freezes great. Now that you've seen my quick and easy slider burger hack, I'm going to show you what I do to turn these into a pizza. So if you haven't seen my I ate a whole Costco pizza video, check it out and you'll see how I made these and the blood glucose spike that I received after eating all the toppings. Now from frozen, this only requires about 15 seconds. Now when you have the desire for pizza, simply pull your crusts out, place them on your rack for your air fryer, air fry them for 10 minutes, remove and add your toppings, then cook until the toppings are fully melted. And if you like this video, I'm sure you'll love these too. Guys, thanks so much for watching, and as always, I will see you in the next video.